Okay, so what we've got here is the unboxing of a little companion bot called Eilik, and package arrived today from China. So let's get in there and hopefully it is what it is. Yes, definitely an Eilik companion bot. Okay, let's get rid of that. So, nice little box. Eilik loves to play with his own kind. Connect Eilik with each other via the magnetic Pega pin, I think that says. Pega pin connectors, and see them play and build friendships or fight with each other. I guess this is where you connect the two little boards that they stand on together. I've only bought one of them. Get to know Eilik. Eilik, I wanted to say companion, but it says company robot on the desktop. Brightens your daily life. Although Eilik has a small body, he possesses an abundant inner core with many interactive stories and games. Eilik always wants you to play with him every moment. Life is never boring with him. Even if you forget him, he'll amuse himself. Eilik has a large family. When they get together, double joy will be shared. So it's got a shock sensor, a display, a button, a microphone, a touch sensor, an infrared sensor, another touch sensor, a speaker, a vibration motor, yet another touch sensor on the back, and a magnetic, a pogo pin, I think that is. It's slightly larger font. Energize Lab is an innovative startup specializing in robotic technology and products covering robotic servos, robotic control systems, brushless motors, and consumer robots. Our team is committed to creating a robot with soul and endless fun based on our own potential robotic technology and experienced animation experts. Okay, let's not going to read all that. Seems to be all the little faces it can do. Let's get in there. Okay, that sleeve wants to come off. I'm going to open it from here, I think. Does it want to come? No. I think that has to come that way. There we go, just a bit stiff. Oh, some more plastic. It's supposed to come with some little toys. There's a little get to know more, how to turn it on, where the touch sensors are. I'll tap it on the head. Let's pull this out. It says. There we go. That's out. Nothing else in the box, although I suppose you could store him in there. There's some tape on the top holding him in. Let's have a look at this first. I imagine we've got to charge him up. Okay, so inside the pack, some little dots and magnets. Not sure what they're for. USB-C charging cable, and some like little food to drink and stuff. A little mug, a waffle, slice of cake. Okay, and a little instruction booklet. charge and update. Charge him, update the software, connect to a PC. Hopefully it works with a Mac as well. Okay, loads of stuff. Go through that later. Little tab. Bit of tape on the top of the box. And it comes out easy enough. Lighter than I expected. Got a little film covering his face. Guess we can take that off. There you go, it looks a bit nicer now. Oh, just noticed inside the box there's some stuff. Don't know if you can see that in there. So just can cut it to open it up. Guess we need to charge him. I think these are the little magnetic ports where you can connect it to another one. There's one on the other side. Not sure how you turn it on. Let's just see if it turns on. Long press for at least 3 seconds to turn on and off, which is on his chest, this button here. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3. I guess he didn't like me. Right, I'm gonna have to learn how to calm him down. Okay, there might be slightly more to this video, or there might be a second part. See you later.